Today we are going to discuss the UPSC Prelims 2025 questions with explanation. Question 1. UPSC rarely asks direct questions. They test whether you know classification, not just definitions. With reference to investments, consider bonds, hedge funds, stocks, venture capital. How many are alternative investment funds? Now pause. Think. If you guessed all four, you just fell into a classic UPSC trap. UPSC is testing whether you know the difference between traditional investments and alternative investments. Simple rule: traditional investments are common and retail friendly. Alternatives are complex, high risk, and for niche investors. Alternative investment funds are special vehicles for high net worth individuals, institutional investors. Examples include hedge funds, venture capital, private equity, angel funds. Alternative investments are private, high risk, and strategy based. So, how many are alternative? Hedge funds, venture capital. Answer: only 2. Exam hall trick. If investment sounds like startup funding, private money, complex strategy, then it's mostly alternative. If it sounds like market trading, debt instrument, public investing, it's mostly traditional. Trap 1. Hedge funds advance. Guru students mark all as alternative. Trap 2. Venture capital is a startup loan, which is wrong. Trap 3. Bonds feel financial, but it is still traditional. Memory test. Is private equity an alternative or traditional? Answer is alternative. Is mutual fund is an alternative or traditional? Answer is traditional. Pause. Think. Answer. You can win UPSC. UPSC expects SEBI classification knowledge, financial market structure, real-world understanding. They don't expect hedge fund mathematical models. So concept clarity is much required than the depth theory. Final revision. So alternative is hedge fund, venture capital, private equity, and traditionals are stocks, bonds, mutual funds. If you want, I will teach more like this. Not just answers, but how to think like UPSC examiner. Because cracking UP is studying more. It is about thinking better. See you in next session. Thank you very much. This is Kanta from Pay for Watch Time.